Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SelfKey. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this huge falling wedge pattern, and right now the price line is moving very close to the resistance of this falling wedge. And I also want to show you this symmetrical triangle, and recently price line has also found another horizontal support as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe, and for more ideas you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me to begin with my recent trade setup of SelfKey that I shared with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal guardian move that SelfKey completed, I think, on the 4-hour time frame chart. Yes, on the 4-hour time frame chart. And by the way, before this, I also shared a very huge harmonic bullish reversal setup. That was also another guardian move on the monthly time frame chart. And this trade is still in play. And I'll also share this move with you in some other video in a detailed manner. And before this, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal guardian move that was formed on the weekly time frame chart back in September 19, 2021. And if I play this chart, then you can see that this was more than 300% rally, and the price line again moved down and even broke down this very significant support we had here at $0.0065. Therefore, while sharing this idea, I told my members that even though this potential reversal zone is quite wide, but we have a very strong support here. Therefore, we can expect that the price line will start a powerful reversal from $0.00875 to $0.0065. And you can see that the price line did not break it down, and we had a nice more than 300% pump, but again price line moved down and broke down this support. Now let me just show you the most recent idea, that was this guardian move that I shared on 27th of September, and you can see we also had a hidden bullish divergence, like stochastic was forming lower than previous low, but the price line was forming higher low than previous low. And if I play this chart, then we can see this time the price line still moving inside this potential reversal zone. We had a small pump here, but the price line went very close to this sell target zone, but could not hit this sell target zone, again moved down in this potential reversal zone, and now it is again gearing up, and soon I'm expecting that it can start a powerful reversal move from here once again. Now, if we take a look at this weekly time frame chart, then here still it is moving inside a very long-term falling wedge pattern. It was entered at the wedge here. It found the support here back in Feb 2021 and found the resistance here in November 2021. And so far, you can see it is getting rejected by the resistance several times and also getting bounced from the support several times as well. Now, if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then this was the symmetrical triangle that we were following, and right now you can see that the price line has broken down this very long-term support. This support was found here in on 12th of May 2022, and you can see that the price line was nicely getting bounced from this support. But now, after breaking down this support, you can see that it is not moving more down, it is getting accumulated here, because here we have another horizontal support, and you can see this support is coming all the way from here, and the price line is now not breaking down this support as well. And this is also a formation of another horizontal or a parallel channel here. You can see it is moving between this resistance and support, and unless this support will be not broken down, we cannot expect another free fall. However, if it will be broken down, then we can expect that the price line can move more down to test the support of this bigger falling wedge pattern. But there is a bullish divergence flashed here. You can see that stochastic is moving down. It is forming a lower than previous low. Let me just show you on by zooming it out. You can see that it is forming lower than previous low. And if we take a look at the price line, it is forming higher low than previous low. You can see this recent low is getting formed higher than the previous one. Therefore, there is a bullish divergence flashed on this chart. Therefore, there is a very high probability that the price line may re-enter the same triangle or break out this resistance of the triangle, and it will not move more down from here. And for example, if we break out the triangle, let me show you the target once again for this breakout. That can be here. That will be approximately at 1.2 cents, and in that situation we can also break out this bigger falling wedge pattern as well. And by the way, the target for this bigger falling wedge pattern will be after breaking out this huge resistance here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at 2.5 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.